Hey people, just a quick video on how to fix or improve the input lag that you're finding on your PS5. Now, there's a couple of different settings that you want to change, and the first is actually on your telly or your monitor. Now, if you're using a TV, what you want to do is go to settings on the TV and change the mode to game mode. Now, if you're using a monitor, you want to go to the settings again on the monitor and change the settings to FPS mode. With both these settings, you should instantly see an improvement in the picture and in some of the lag. You want the monitor or the TV to be 1 millisecond refresh rate and 120 Hz. These are the best monitors for the PS5. So now we've changed them settings, what you want to do is come up to the top here and come over to your settings. And then from your settings page, you want to come down to accessories. And now controller. And then you want to select communication method. As you can see, it's currently using Bluetooth. What you want to do is select use USB cable. While using a USB cable is annoying, it should stop an awful lot of lag problems.